This guy right here is a puli named Data, and this is a 3D printed dog treat launcher. All you have to do is take a roughly spherically shaped dog treat or multiples, put it in this funnel right here, and when your dog presses the lever, go ahead, hit it. That treat will be launched out, right, like you saw there. Now that action also loaded the next treat in that funnel, so that the next time your dog presses the lever, they get another treat like you just saw there. This thing's really easy to build. It costs about $5 in parts, and it's hours of fun for your dog and for you. Here's how it's built and how it works. Building this is really simple. First off, you have to 3D print the parts. The file is located in a link below. It's on my GitHub, and this is what you're gonna get. I printed it with 10% PLA, 10% infill, PLA filament, but honestly these are all so simple you could print it with whatever filament you have and however you like to print it. It's gonna turn out the same. What you get is a square box like this with a few holes, 2 geared parts, and then this funnel that will allow the treats to go in. Now there's one thing to note here as you're assembling it. This guy right here has a little hole so that a new treat can be dropped into here, and then it'll work its way down into the next compartment down here to actually be launched. So the way you assemble this is place this in here and line it up right there. Put a single 3/8 inch dowel right through there. Next, you're going to place this. You want to push down on this lever and then place this so that it is in the upwards direction, like so. Now you can take this right here and wiggle it into place while helping this dowel go through the middle of this gear. So this is the key to how the whole thing works. When you push down on this lever, this is facing up, and when you release the lever, the treat that was just captured is now transferred onto there, slides down into here, and that is ready for the next launch. In this way, we only take one piece, one treat each time we want to make a launch. Now the last thing is this right here. You just push the funnel into place, and now when you place a dog treat in, it'll work its way down into here and eventually get launched out. The last thing is, you're probably going to want some sort of legs to stabilize this. My dog gets really excited when he plays with this, so I went ahead and put one longer piece of wood right here attached with screws, and a little bit smaller piece of wood down here. That's it. You can grab some treats. The circular and small treats work best. Load it up in the funnel and let your dog start playing. Oh, there it went. Over here. Get it right there. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique and useful do-it-yourself builds.